Hi guys, Smoker Bears here. How you doing? Hope everybody's having a great day. Today, man, I was down the street at the store and they had some brisket flats, some USDA choice. One was 3.7, one was 3.4 pounds. So I said, you know what, I gotta do these. I got the Kosmos Q cow cover. I want to try that out. And I got a little salt pepper blend that I made up and I tried out on some oxtails and a flat week or so ago and really enjoyed it. So I want to go head to head. Cheers. What we got going on here is this Kosmos Q cow cover. I'm going to go ahead and I've not used it, not even tasted it. I'm going to go ahead and coat the fat side. Well, it comes out real good. Do a nice little pat. Get the sides. And I got the kettle heating up already, so Grozowski will be ready to go. Smell the pepper in this. And get the sides there. Okay. The back side. Nice and good. Okay. Now, I got my salt pepper blend. It's 2 parts coarse black pepper and 1 part kosher salt. So we're going to start this one off on this side piece here. You can see it's a lot coarser than the cow cover. And just get this nice and coated. I got a chunk of cherry wood that I'm going to throw on there. Other than that, I'm just using a mix of charcoal and lump, just leftovers from previous cooks. I'll go ahead and get that coated up. Boom. Get the fat side here. All right, that looks good. Oh, it looks real good. I'm gonna get where my fingers were. All right. Let me, that looks good. We'll head out to the grill and get these put on. All right, so we're reading about 3:15 at the dome. So we're gonna be set, man. I got some, you see my coals set up. Well, let me set this right here. Set a chunk of cherry wood right over top there. A smaller flat, go right here. Put the fat, the thicker part towards the fire. And same with this one. Thicker part towards the fire. And we'll come out and change it here in a little while. All right. That's that. Nighty night. 2 hours into this cook. So let's take a look and see what we got. Dome temp still reading 300. Let's take a look at this. Yeah, I see that. Our wood's going nice. Let's just get a internal real quick. Looks like the bark's set pretty decent. So 2 hours in, we're at about, what did I say, 139. Let's check this one. Bark set good on that one. And we're at 135, 139. There we go, 140. All right, so we got a good ways to go. So, all right, guys, we're 3 hours in. Still sitting about 315, 320. Oh, them things are looking good. Let's see where our temperature is. Yeah, man, we're up about 150. Yep, 150-ish. We're gonna go ahead and wrap these up. I got some foil laid out. I'm gonna take one. Take this salt and pepper one. Lay it right like that. this up, roll this up, roll this up. Now, I'm gonna take a little bit of Coke, pour it up in there. Just about that much. I'm down to the label. Now I'm gonna roll this up. I'm gonna double wrap it. Roll that up. Roll that up. Roll that up. It is windy today. There we go. And that is fat side down, just in case you're wondering. So now the next one, this is that Kosmos cow cover. Lay it in there the same way. I'm gonna do this one so you can see it. So I'll roll it like that. Roll it up like that. Roll it up like that. Now, hopefully you guys can see this. I'm just pouring it all in there like so. Right about the same amount. Like that. And roll this one. Same way. Set that back on the pit. We are going to let this continue to cook. All right, we're at about the 4.5 hour mark. These wrapped. Going in good. Just temperature for those that want to know. Right at 203. Ooh. Nice. And this one here is sitting at about 204.5. So now I'm just going to take these and put them in this tray. And we'll get them inside. Let's get them vented. Get them vented, you see that? Gorgeous. All right. Hope you guys can see that. All right, so these things have rested about 2 hours, 2.5 hours in the microwave. So let's slice into this. See our grains running this way, so we're gonna cut it this way. Oh my. Ooh. This one here's the cow cover. Ooh, gorgeous. All right. Look at that. Nice little smoke ring in there. That's that cherry wood. All right. This one here's a salt pepper. Grains running this way. Here we go. Look at that one. You got a little more smoke ring. All right. All right, so taste testers. Try that one. And?
Good stuff. What do you think? What?
Yeah, okay, whatever.
Okay, whatever.
You suck. Go ahead and try this one here. Yep. You like that one better?
This one's better, yeah.
All right. All right, guys, so it looks like the cow cover won. Way to go, Cosmo. All right, Smoking bears. That's all I got today. Have a great day, everybody. Cheers. Remember, our family barbecues together, eats together, stays together.